by opening the testnet Pi wallet and selecting the Tokens tab. This is your main hub for all token-related functions. At the top, you'll see 4 options: Swap, Exchange, Liquidity Pools, and Manage. If your wallet doesn't have tokens yet, it will display No Tokens. Tap Add Tokens or Manage to open the Manage Tokens page. This is where you enable tokens to make them visible and usable in your wallet. Each token shows its name, icon, and issuer address, such as Pizza Token, Archimedes, or Shrimp Swap. Toggle a token on to confirm that you'll make it active for swaps, exchanges, and liquidity pools. This requires a transaction fee, in this case in Test Pi. Next, let's explore Swap. An automated market maker, or AMM, powers swaps and liquidity pools. Instead of matching buyers and sellers like a traditional exchange, the automated market maker uses a formula to automatically adjust prices based on the balance of tokens in each pool. This design allows trading to happen continuously and instantly, even without an order book or centralized intermediary. In the swap interface, you'll see 2 fields. Sell is where you select a token and amount you want to trade. Buy is where you choose the token you want to receive. In this example, I'm swapping Test Pi for Pizza Token. My balance of Test Pi appears at the top, and the app automatically calculates how much of the other token I'll receive in return. You can adjust your slippage tolerance. Here it's set to plus or minus 1%, which limits how much the price can move before the swap cancels. Once everything looks correct, tap Review to confirm the accuracy of the transaction summary. Note that there is a countdown showing how long the quoted rate remains valid. If everything looks good, tap Confirm Swap. After a successful swap, you'll return to the Tokens tab, where your new token balance is updated. Next, open Exchange to view all available trading pairs on the testnet. An exchange is where token trading pairs are listed, each pair representing 2 tokens that can be traded against each other using an on-chain order book. This screen functions as a directory of available markets, showing which token pairs currently exist and have active liquidity. A DEX, or decentralized exchange, allows users to trade tokens directly with one another without a central authority or middleman. Trades are executed through on-chain mechanisms such as order books or liquidity pools, whichever provides the best result, automatically determined by the network. If a desired pair isn't listed, you can create one manually through the Create Trading Pair screen by selecting 2 tokens to define a new market. Creating a trading pair simply defines that market. It tells the DEX that those 2 tokens can be traded. To make that pair actually tradable, it also needs liquidity, which can be added in the Liquidity Pools page. Now let's explore liquidity pools. Each pool represents a pair of tokens locked together in an on-chain pool, forming the foundation of the automated market maker. When you open a pool, you'll see details about the total liquidity, the liquidity you provided, if any, and the total balances of each token. From here, you can either deposit tokens to add liquidity or withdraw tokens you added before. Depositing adds your tokens to the pool and earns you trading fees proportionally, with a base 0.3% fee. Withdrawing removes your liquidity and returns the tokens you contributed, adjusted by the pool's current ratio. You can also create your own liquidity pool if a trading pair doesn't already exist by selecting 2 tokens and determining the ratio. These tools form the foundation of decentralized trading in the Pi ecosystem, all currently running safely on testnet for testing, education, and development before mainnet deployment. Also note that developers can create test tokens on testnet. More details are coming soon. So, try out these DeFi features yourself now. Explore swaps, create test pairs, and add liquidity to see how decentralized markets work in real time.